Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's session, we're going to unbox this sealed Charge Plus G10 orange. This model has been discontinued already by Leatherman and is considered hard to find nowadays. Okay, so let's open it up and see how it looks like. My first unboxing. Alright, so okay, sealed Charge Plus G10. Okay, here we have this. Alright, comes with this premium medium size, I believe, sheet that has pockets. Alright, 2 pockets, and with a bit kit, belt clip, and lanyard ring. Okay, so yeah, this is the Leatherman Charge Plus G10. Looks really great. Okay, some people may think that this is just a standard or the usual plastic, but this is a G10. As the name implies, G10 is a garolite. It's a composite material that's created by curing fiberglass with epoxy under high pressures. Okay, it's a light material, but it's really tough. Okay, looks pretty nice. It's grippy. Okay, let me compare this one with the Wave. Looks almost the same, but more premium in terms of the knife blade. Let me show you the knife blade. So this one is equipped with a very premium S30V knife blade. This is considered as a premium grade knife steel and a lot better compared than 428C and the 154CM blades. That's the main reason why this is more expensive compared with others. And this blade is also the same blade used with the Titanium Plus. Okay, so definitely a premium level knife blade, S30V. Okay, standard saw, serrated knife with cutting hook, same with Titanium Plus, diamond coated file, metal and wood. As usual, needle nose pliers, regular pliers, wire cutters, replaceable hardware cutters, and crimper, and with a ruler. Okay, large bit adapter, flat and Phillips bit, can bottle opener, wire stripper, spring action scissors, small bit adapter, flat and Phillips for eyeglasses. Okay, flat screwdriver. Okay, so the features here, the tools found here are the same tools as with the Wave Plus. Okay, it is just that this one is more premium looking, premium materials, premium scales, and definitely a premium knife blade. So that's the difference. And obviously this one is lighter compared with a Wave. Okay, so what else? This is also equipped with lanyard ring and pocket clip to attach this part here, right side first. There. Okay, to remove, press here, pull. Same thing with the pocket clip, right side first. There. Okay, so yeah, This is also available in red and earth colors, the dark one. Though this has been discontinued by Leatherman already, so it's really rare, hard to find nowadays. This one is brand new, available on my Facebook page, Brands of Gears and Gadgets. You can contact us via 0917-634-5916. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the day. Charge Plus G10. Thank you.